Hello YouTube, this is Kid Eagle 97 here, and today this is going to be an unboxing video. I scribbled out all my videos. So yeah, we'll just open it up and I'll show you what's inside. Using my shortcut. Open it. Hold on, it's not opening. Okay. The sheet with the stuff on. Don't want us to see that. And so here it is. My Victorinox Classic SD in rainbow dye. So we'll open it up and we'll have a look at the tools. And most of these I've seen these before. I saw the colour and I loved it. I thought it was really good. So just open it up. I'll open it up and then I'll show you. Okay. Okay, so here it is. The knife itself, beautiful. I love the colours. I love the black outline. I love everything about it. It's really nice. So it says 7 Victorinox makes the original Swiss Army knife Classic SD. Lifetime warranty, made in Switzerland. Everyday. In saying that, it's an everyday carry blade. 7 function pocket tool. Some information on the first person ever make one. The Classic X SD has a blade, scissors, tweezers, nail file, keyring, toothpick and a screwdriver. And it also comes with the Victorinox sheet, which comes with all their knives. The models, the tools, what they're for, stuff like that. The legacy, customer services, the danger zone of when you're closing it, yeah, stuff like that. So put that down. The knife itself, open it up. Out of the box, this is really sharp. You can feel it. That's really sharp. File. And it's the Classic SD, unlike the original Classic, has a screwdriver on the end. Tweezers, toothpick, tweezers, and here, if I'm not mistaken, the scissors. So there it is, Classic XD. I'll have to test it a bit more before I can say anything properly about it, so this is basically the end of the video, but I'll do an update video of what I think of it, how good it is. So yeah, Kid Eagle signing out. Have a good day.